construction vehicles name in English.
Excavator. Excavator.
Excavator. This is an excavator. An excavator digs deep into the ground using its large arm and bucket.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. A bulldozer pushes soil and rocks with its wide metal blade.
Dump truck. Dump truck.
Dump truck. This is a dump truck. A dump truck carries and unloads heavy materials like sand and gravel.
Wheel loader. Wheel loader.
Wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. A wheel loader scoops and loads materials quickly using its front bucket.
Road roller. Road roller.
Road roller. This is a road roller. A road roller flattens and smooths surfaces with its heavy drum.
Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader.
Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader. A skid steer loader works in tight spaces to lift and move materials.
Crawler crane. Crawler crane.
Crawler crane. This is a crawler crane. A crawler crane lifts heavy loads and moves on strong tracks.
PA machine. PA machine.
PA machine. This is a PA machine. A PA machine lays hot asphalt to build new roads.
Articulated dump truck. Articulated dump truck.
Articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck. An articulated dump truck bends in the middle to move over rough terrain.
Forklift. Forklift.
Forklift. This is a forklift. A forklift lifts and moves boxes or pallets with its front forks.
Concrete spreader machine. Concrete spreader machine.
Concrete spreader machine. This is a concrete spreader machine. A concrete spreader machine spreads wet concrete evenly on the ground.
Mobile crane. Mobile crane.
Mobile crane. This is a mobile crane. A mobile crane moves on wheels and lifts materials high into the air.
Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader.
Backhoe loader. This is a backhoe loader. A backhoe loader digs with its back arm and lifts with its front bucket.
Asphalt compactor. Asphalt compactor.
Asphalt compactor. This is an asphalt compactor. An asphalt compactor presses asphalt to make roads strong and smooth.
Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck.
Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck keeps concrete spinning so it stays fresh.
Tunnel boring machine. Tunnel boring machine.
Tunnel boring machine. This is a tunnel boring machine. A tunnel boring machine digs deep tunnels through rock and soil.
Trench digger. Trench digger.
Trench digger. This is a trench digger. A trench digger cuts narrow paths for pipes and cables underground.
Concrete pump truck. Concrete pump truck.
Concrete pump truck. This is a concrete pump truck. A concrete pump truck pushes concrete through pipes to hard-to-reach places.
Motor grader. Motor grader.
Motor grader. This is a motor grader. A motor grader levels and smooths the ground before paving.
Pile driver. Pile driver.
Pile driver. This is a pile driver. A pile driver pushes long piles deep into the ground for strong foundations.
Tower crane. Tower crane.
Tower crane. This is a tower crane. A tower crane lifts heavy materials high up on tall buildings.